I abstain.
Nandito ka sa labas. Ano yun, ayaw kong papasukin?
Hindi, may pending meeting ako with Speaker Romualdez kakausapin siya. Parang mag-hi lang. Gusto kong sabihin sa kanya, bye-bye crocodile, no?
Aasarin mo siya?
Kasi,
Bakit ka naglakas loob na magsalita? Everyone else, tahimik. And then here comes a Gen Z congressman, suddenly nagsasalita.
yes, I just wanted to see if I am capable of defeating
Okay?
most powerful people in the Philippines.
So, sinasabi nila, Nepo baby ka rin.
Nepo baby ako. Meow. Kasi if Nepo baby is like someone who's a son of a congressman or of a mayor or part of a political family, then by all means, I am a Nepo baby by that definition.
O ba malinis ka coming from a political family too?
Well, depends on what you define as clean. Me, I have not been involved in any cases.
Ang inasal nito sa loob ng kamera.
Meow, 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 meow.
Bakit ka daw ba meow ng meow?
Kasi mahilig ako sa posa.